If you're looking to pick up a new phone, you definitely want to check out the Redbeat D5. So this was a sample given to me by the brand. Thank you so much. So this is 120 by 28 gigabytes and plus 6 gigs of RAM. So that's it's really good. So lots of space. So this is the packaging. It's very nice. It comes with a little instruction manual. Put all that down. Also comes with its charger, which is right here. Again, put that down. And it is a USB charger, as you can see. And then we have here, of course, the phone. So this is, I haven't configured it all the way, but this is where you would just, pick United States. And yeah, and then you would just go through the steps of configuring it. But it's very nice. It's what it looks like on the back. I really like how it looks. So very, very nice phone. It's Android. So if you're an Android lover, definitely want to check them out. So yeah, so it's a nice phone, pretty quick from the little bit that I've used it. So if you're looking for a nice one, definitely want to get a case that has like a little plastic case that it comes with, but I wouldn't trust this so much. Like if it would have dropped, really hard, like it is it's like a soft plastic, as you can see. So, I wouldn't let this, I would throw it or drop it too much. It might crack, the screen might crack or something. So just take care of it. Maybe get a nice case for it and definitely check it out. Again, thank you so much, Redbeat, and hope you check it out.